Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payoneer.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transaction. Users can opt in a Payoneer account to manage your payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So, first of all, we have here freelancers and other information like get paid, manage businesses, make payments, export all freelancers. Then we have business here, make payments also, get paid, and also we have marketplace here, payout, manage currencies, payment collection, risk and fraud, and we have tax collection, and then we have sign up. Here we have the global account for freelance businesses. A Payoneer account is the quick, secure, and reliable way to get paid by clients and freelance marketplaces. Make payments from your Payoneer account or withdraw earnings locally with just a few clicks. So if you want to sign up, you click over here and you will just find this page. Choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. So if you are a freelancer or online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, and individual finally. So I will click over individual and I will find this page. So if you are other of this one, you have just to click over it and you will find other page. Then you link your personal information. So once I click over individual, I find this page. The right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. We have a get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. Then we have get paid by your global clients. Withdraw your earnings to your local account at low rates. And we have withdraw funds at ATM, pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So once you click over register, you'll find this page. So here we have Payoneer signing up. We have four steps. The first one, which is getting started. So is your business registered with any government, business licensing, or tax authority? So we have just to answer this question by no or yes. If is it no, my business isn't registered, you click over it, and if it's yes, I own or represent a registered business. Then if we scroll down, we will find here please fill in the fields in English characters only. You write your first name, your last name, your email address, and you confirm your email address. Then we have the date of birth here. Then you click over next and you will find here this page. Payoneer signing up. Getting started, we have also contact details. Please fill in the files in English characters only. We have provided a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. We have a country, choose for here the country that you are. For example, I choose Morocco or other countries. And we have a street and number, and we have mobile number here, and here we have click the send code, and after the verification code we send to mobile number. So you write your verification code, then you will click over next and you will find other page. We find the congratulations, but before you have to done with security details and almost done. So about two steps, you have to link your personal information. I already done these steps, that's why I can do not again, because I already signed up by my number and I cannot do the same number two times. Then about congratulations, after almost done, you will find congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and this is now being reviewed Want a Payoneer card? Learn how to order one. You are now in the second step of the application process. The first step, which is application completed, your application has been successfully submitted. Then we have the second one, which is review in process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days. Once your application has been reviewed, you will find here the third step, which is receive payments. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payments to your account. Then you will find the home page. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easier withdrawals. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer saving account, which supports multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So here we have the home page. We have also withdraw and transfer. We'll find here convert currencies, transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. We have here from, so you select the balance here. Then we have to manage currencies. You need to be receiving funds to your Payoneer account and you click on learn more if you want to learn more, of course. Then we have here account activity. About this one, we have transactions, payment requests, sent. We have reports and statements such as monthly statement, transaction reports. Then we have bank account here if you want to add another account, and also we have Payoneer receives reserves the right to verify that you have access to and control over any bank account for withdrawal you add to your account. And we have here business network, such as companies you work with, business applications, connect apps also. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is how it works with Payoneer.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. So also don't forget like, comment, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.